Okay, so let's have a look at the second adjustment for O'Connell 2021 paper. So the return on capital employed. So we know the return on capital employed is your net profit plus your interest divided by your capital employed. So your net profit is going to be given your profit and loss account. So that's going to be 157,000. We're going to calculate the interest. Your interest is based on your debenture. So it's going to be 300,000 multiplied by 6%. And then your cap employed then is your last figure always in your balance sheet. So 997,000. So to calculate the interest, we're going to need a debenture figure. So the debenture figure is 300,000. Your interest is going to be 6%. So we're just identifying our figures so we can put them into our formulas. So it's going to be 300,000. And that's going to be multiplied that then by 6%. That's going to give us the interest. Multiplied by 0.06. So our interest should be 18,000, so it should be 300,000. So interest is going to be 18,000. So we know our formula. It's going to be your net profit, which is 157,000, plus your interest of 18,000, divided by your capital employed of 997,000, multiplied by 100 over 1. So it's 157,000 plus 18,000. That's your interest divided by your capital employed, 997,000. So we do it step by step. So 157,000 plus 18,000 divided by 997,000. So when we divide the 157,000 divided by 997,000, to give an extra 0 in there. So 997,000 is going to give us 17.17552. So it's 2 places of decimal. So the 2 means that we're going to keep the 55. So when we multiply this out, our figure when we multiply by 100, we're going to keep it at 55. So 17.55, because 17 is going to be a whole number before the decimal. We have to go to 2 places of decimal, which is 55. So because it's a 2, we're not going to round up. We're going to keep it at 55. If that 2 was 5 or above, we'd round this 5 up to a 6. So, and then we're going to keep this to a percentage because it's the return on capital employed. So with the return on capital employed, remember you need to calculate your interest based on your debentures. Debenture is 300,000 by 6%. That's going to give us 18,000 is our interest. That's added on to your profit, and you're dividing that by your capital employed, which is the last figure at the end of your balance sheet. It's going to give you a figure here of 0.17552. Because we're going to 2 places of decimal, so it's going to be 17.55. We're going to keep it at 0.55 because this 2 is less than 5. So remember, which are rounding with maths. So that's a percentage. And that's question 2 for O'Connell 2021.